Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to copy a link in Google using mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your Google app. Then, search the websites that you want to copy the link. When it's done, just hold the name of the text of the website. Then, you will see the copy link text. Just tap it. Now, you already copied the link. But there's another way. Just tap the website, then at the top, tap the search bar. After that, tap the copy link icon. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.